In this video, I will be showing you how to change language in Grok. Let's get started. First, I open up my web browser and navigate to the Google search bar. I type Grok into the field and press enter to start the search. Once the results load, I look for the official website and click on the main Grok link to open up the platform. Now that the Grok homepage is open, I take a moment to look around the clean interface. Next, I guide my cursor to the bottom left corner of the screen where my user profile is located. I click on my profile name, which prompts a small settings menu to slide out. From this pop-up menu, I select the Settings option at the very top. This brings up a larger Account Settings modal window in the center of the page. Within this panel, I see various details like my display name, email, and subscription options. I look down to find the Language setting, which is currently set to English. Right next to it, there is a Change button, and I go ahead and click on it. A list of available languages drops down, showcasing multiple options like Arabic, Bengali, Czech, German, Spanish, and more. I scroll down slightly to review the options and decide to switch the language to Arabic. I click on the Arabic option, and the interface immediately shifts, updating the entire account layout to reflect the new language preferences. To see this change across the platform, I click the close button in the top right corner of the modal window to head back to the main dashboard. Now on the main dashboard, you can see that the layout has shifted to support right-to-left text alignment, and the default prompt helper has changed into Arabic as well. I hover around the screen to ensure the translation is applied properly. Next, let's look at how to switch it back or change it to another language from this state. I move my cursor over to the right side of the screen where the side navigation panel is now located. I scroll down to the bottom and click on my profile section once again. This opens the pop-up menu in Arabic, and I select the Settings option, which is the first item in the list. The account panel opens back up in the center of the screen. I locate the language field, identifiable by the globe icon, and click the Change option next to it. The language list reappears, and I can scroll through it to find my preferred option. This time, I click on English to switch it back. The panel reloads instantly, restoring the familiar left to right English interface. I click the close icon to dismiss the account settings window. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.